All right, quick update. I think this is number 4 on the video list here. Still got a mess in the garage, but we got the Lloyd Elliott heads on, got the water pump gear in, and the cam in. Next, we're gonna go into a little more detail, gonna give you longer videos, and also comment below what you want to see, what you want me to talk about, or the details if you want that, basically. If not, I'm just going to keep trucking along and just making videos and whatever it is until you guys tell me what to do. No, but so in all seriousness, yeah, okay. Talk to you later.